Dear students, I was telling you about this one Indian monsoon. This word monsoon word has been derived from Arabic word uh, which means Mosam. Mosam, Arabic word which means climate in according to our Indian words, and climate that affect the weather conditions of a particular area, subcontinent, where it is the one of the oldest and most uh, applicable weather phenomena, and accordingly important pattern every year from June through September. I mean to say different type of monsoon set is there from June to September. The unique geographical feature of Indian subcontinent, along with the associated with atmospheric climate, oceanic, geographical factors, physiographic factor, and influence of the behavior of the monsoon. In this way, we study about it. Monsoon means to say it bring rain-bearing winds. These bring rain in the subcontinent, and monsoon traveling from season to season, and within this, when monsoon travels backward to the subcontinent, mean to say in the beginning approximately dates are there from 5th of June. It starts from the southern of India, and by 15th of the September there is reversal of the monsoon, that is known as seasonal reversing wind, accompanied by the corresponding change in the precipitation. And while this change Indian monsoon, while this change, when monsoon reversal is there, during that the Tamil Nadu sea coast has rainfall there, and sometime there are floods also due to this only. When the reversal of the monsoon, and these winds from the sea coast and cyclonics are there, at that time there is flood in the coast of this one eastern coast of India. And in this way, in this first diagram that I am telling you, land is there, then there is some sea gap is there on my this one process of wind formation monsoon, that is written here in first diagram. Sun is there. When we know that when sun heat falls on the land and land gets heated, and the same way the water also get heated, but speed is different. Land gets heated very soon, and sea gets heated after some time. But there is water cycle. I have shown that there is cold winds are there, and heat produced by the land, they rises up from the sea level, and on the land there is a low pressure area, in the sea there is high pressure area. I have shown it with red pen. And when this circle is going on, there is a formation of the clouds, and after that clouds, that condensation, evaporation, and then precipitation is there when this water falls down. And in the second diagram, I have tried to show you about the winter seasonal process of the winds. In winter, when sun is there, exactly same way sea water is there, and at that time in winter season, high pressure area on the land and low pressure in the sea, and that is a reversal totally. And exactly same way circle is formed, water cycle, rain is there, and accordingly that is the monsoon, that how it comes to India. Then branches of the Arabian Sea and Bay of Bengal, when these winds rises from the Arabian Sea, I have shown with red arrows, goes to enters India during the month of June, and some winds rises from Bay of Bengal. They also enters India from this west of Bengal, this Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, and that. And in between there is a Western Ghats. Western Ghats are there, they becomes a barrier for these winds, and these winds take a divert from there and directly rises upward towards the Gujarat coast, and the winds, the currents that rises from the Bay of Bengal, they directly move to the West Bengal and Meghalaya, and Meghalaya being there also hilly area and somewhat Sikkim and Assam hilly area, these winds stay there and stuck into rainfall and precipitation and take U-turn towards the northern plains nearby the UP, Bihar and this area. From here also the winds that go from Arabian Sea, here they get mixed up and do not get the rainfall there, sorry, they get the rainfall there but do not get upwards towards the northern Himalayas, and before that there is Aravali range in Rajasthan, and there these winds are being stopped and whole rain precipitation is there, and as there is hilly area snowfall, ultimately there is no rainfall, these winds don't go upward towards that side, and from there Aravalli Hills and range of mountains, Nepal, Sikkim, this Uttarakhand, these winds comes back. In the second diagram I have told you, high pressure northeast retreating मानसून, नॉर्थ ईस्ट मानसून, यहाँ से ये विंड्स फिर वापस आना शुरू हो जाती हैं और दैट विंड्स ब्रिंग rain in the Tamil Nadu, coast of Tamil Nadu. Sometimes there is a break also, monsoon break, and sometimes there is flood in the Tamil Nadu, and that is simultaneously there is shifting of ITCZ, intertropical conversion zone. You may see in this diagram there is a shift like a wave type. This intertropical conversion zone shifts from this tropic of Capricorn towards the tropic of Cancer, and when this is nearby India ITCZ zone, and at the simultaneously at that time on the Tibet area there is low pressure area is created. Tibet, you may see upwards towards the Indian map, and here also you may see that in first diagram there is intertropical conversion zone, that is westerly streams, jet streams, they are shifting towards India, and there is sun, when it is sun is at the tropic of Cancer, and this simultaneously keeps on working, and as soon as this September and August nowadays whatsoever days are going on, 15 September sun also turns towards the tropic of Capricorn, and same time these wet stream ITCZ zone also shifting towards its low pressure area to high pressure area. As we know that winds always rises in the direction from high pressure to low pressure area, and when this situation is there and it brings the rain, wind coming from cooler lands to warmer sea. Mean to say in first diagram you may see that there is cool winds that are coming to sea towards the low pressure area, towards when these mix up there, low pressure area and high pressure area, and clouds are formed. In second diagram you may see that winds coming from cooler sea to warmer land, cooler sea, मीन टू से सी की तरफ से विंड्स जब उधर जाती हैं, दैट इज इन द सी देयर इज हाई प्रेशर एरिया, एंड in on the land in the center of the India there is a low pressure area. In this these winds gets enriched and bring rain from low pressure area to high pressure area. In this way this is the monsoon bearing winds, how monsoon work, jet stream, this ITCZ zone, and when this whole process is going on, it is not only with India but whole of the world. ITCZ zone, El Nino, this global climatic events effect. We say sometimes there is arrival of the monsoon, then duration of the monsoon, amount of rainfall and retreating of the monsoon. When monsoon is good, I have tried to show that ultimately the crops that are totally based upon monsoon, farmers get appropriate GDP. I mean to say gross domestic production is good and they are happy to see their crops and others. Thank you students. Hopefully you have understood and keep on studying well.